Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Magic Chess to Mobile Legends account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're wondering how to connect your Magic Chess account to Mobile Legends, there are two easy methods to do it. Let's start with the first one. When you open Magic Chess, you'll see two options, Guest Login and Pass Login. Simply tap on Pass Login, then select the Connect option. It will automatically redirect you to the Mobile Legends interface. Once you're there, just confirm the connection and your accounts will be successfully linked. Now let's talk about the second method. From the Magic Chess homepage, tap your profile icon located at the top left corner. Then select Account Settings. Here, you'll see a Connect button. Tap it. Next, choose Connect Manually. This will show you several options to automatically connect your account with Mobile Legends. If you prefer to link it manually, select the email address option, enter your email, and Magic Chess will send you a verification code. Just enter the code to confirm, and your account will be connected. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a seamless gaming experience across both Magic Chess and Mobile Legends. So that's basically how you can connect Magic Chess to Mobile Legends account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.